The idea of a simpler, worry-free lifestyle is something many of us dream about, especially in our later years. But for seniors in the US, that dream can sometimes feel impossible. Rising costs, constant maintenance, and limited flexibility can stand in the way of freedom. But what if you could finally break free? Live in comfort, explore the country, and leave behind the burden of a traditional home. That's exactly what the 2025 Tesla Motorhome is designed to offer. For just $9,757, you get a fully electric, self-contained home on wheels, engineered for comfort, security, and total independence. Whether you're looking to downsize, travel, or simply enjoy life on your terms, this could be the opportunity of a lifetime. In today's video, we'll explore the mind-blowing features that make this Tesla Motorhome a true game-changer for anyone ready for a fresh start. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe, and your support helps us keep bringing you the latest on EV innovations and off-grid living. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. 1. How durable is the 2025 Tesla Motorhome? The Tesla Motorhome 2025 isn't just stylish, it's built for resilience. Perfect for extended travel, harsh terrain, and unpredictable weather, this vehicle is crafted to endure it all. Its frame combines aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel, making it both lightweight and incredibly tough. The chassis offers 40% more torsional rigidity than standard RVs, meaning better control on uneven roads and improved safety. Tesla also used impact-resistant composite body panels that weigh 40% less than steel but provide 2.5 times more protection. The undercarriage and body panels are treated with a patented anti-corrosion sealant, extending the motorhome's lifespan by at least 25 years, even in coastal or humid regions. Built for remote exploration, this rig includes triple-layer insulation with vacuum-insulated panels and phase-change materials, providing 40% better heat retention than traditional fiberglass insulation. And that's not all. The exterior shell is coated with ceramic nanoprotection, which helps reduce UV damage, scratches, and dirt buildup by up to 50%. The multi-layer solar-tinted windows block 99% of UV rays, keeping the interior cool and reducing sun damage to surfaces inside. With all these premium materials and advanced engineering, the Tesla Motorhome 2025 is made to last for decades, delivering long-term value and reliability. 2. A power system that redefines off-grid living. This motorhome runs on a next-gen solid-state battery, giving it 600 miles of range on a single charge, a major step up from traditional lithium-ion setups. What makes this even more impressive is the battery's life expectancy. It's rated for over 600,000 miles before major performance drop-offs. Compare that to the 150,000 to 200,000 mile lifespan of most RV batteries, and it's easy to see why this is such a leap forward. The massive 300 kilowatt-hour battery pack powers everything: appliances, lights, climate control, for up to 72 hours off-grid without needing a recharge. The roof features solar panels that generate up to 4 kilowatt-hours per hour, adding between 60 and 100 miles of range per day, depending on the sun. That means you can stay off-grid longer, avoid gas stations or EV chargers, and truly enjoy nature without interruptions. Whether you're parked in a desert, national forest, or snowy mountain pass, this RV is ready. Tesla also built in an ultra-efficient HVAC system that cools the entire cabin from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit in just 8 minutes, using only 1.5 kilowatt hours. That's less than half the power consumption of standard RV air conditioning units. When it's cold out, the heat pump system can keep the cabin at a cozy 70 degrees Fahrenheit, using just 1 kilowatt hour per hour, a fraction of the energy used by traditional propane-based heaters. And it doesn't stop there. A smart adaptive ventilation system automatically adjusts airflow based on the number of people on board and outside weather, cutting down energy waste by 30%. Combined with insulation and solar reflective glass, the Tesla Motorhome keeps things comfortable and efficient year-round, no matter where you roam. Excited about these durability features? Comment Tesla wins if this sounds like your kind of vehicle, or wait if you're still on the fence. We've got more coming up. 3. What's it like to live inside the Tesla Motorhome? Inside the 2025 model, Tesla has created a modern mobile living space that feels more like a smart home than an RV. The layout is spacious, functional, and thoughtfully designed. Seating is adjustable and ergonomic. The bed system is modular, allowing you to transform a space depending on whether you're working, relaxing, or dining. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, including a compact induction stove, microwave, refrigerator, and sink. Everything is optimized to save space while still offering full functionality. The bathroom uses innovative water-saving tech, like a fold-down sink and low-flow showerhead that uses 50% less water. The vacuum-powered toilet system also cuts water use by up to 40%, making this a truly sustainable home on wheels. Tesla's 15.7-inch touchscreen control panel acts as the main control hub. It lets you manage lighting, temperature, security, and even entertainment, all from one place. Not tech-savvy? No problem. Tesla includes voice control features and easy-to-use icons. You can adjust lights, play music, or change the temperature, all hands-free. And for those who prefer traditional controls, there are physical buttons and knobs for key functions. One standout addition is the built-in health monitoring system. It tracks vitals like heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, providing alerts for unusual readings, which is especially helpful for older travelers. Plus, a HEPA filtration system ensures the air inside stays clean and free of 99.97% of particles, including dust, allergens, and bacteria. That means fewer respiratory issues and a healthier living environment on long journeys. What's your favorite interior feature so far? Comment 1 for the cozy layout, 2 for the smart controls, or 3 for the wellness tech. 4. Why the Tesla Motorhome 2025 might be the best deal ever. Let's talk numbers. For a one-time payment of $9,757, you're getting both a home and a vehicle, no rent, no mortgage, and no gas costs. Compare that to average U.S. expenses. The typical monthly mortgage is over $1,000, not including property taxes, insurance, or repairs. Add car payments, often $300 to $800 per month, and you're easily spending $1,500 to $2,000 per month, or up to $24,000 per year. And that's without factoring in rising fuel or maintenance costs. With the Tesla Motorhome, you eliminate most of those costs. No oil changes, no gas. Fewer moving parts mean lower maintenance. And you only need one insurance policy, since it's both a house and a vehicle. That's why this is a smart solution, especially for retirees on fixed incomes or anyone looking. The average U.S. senior earns about $30,000 per year. With rising housing and car costs, it's easy to feel financially squeezed. But with this all-in-one electric RV, you can travel, live comfortably, and manage your budget all at once. The 2025 Tesla Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution in how we live and travel. Offering the freedom of the open road and the comforts of home, all for under $10,000, it's a one-of-a-kind solution that could completely transform your lifestyle. Thanks for watching.